Welcome back to my channel. I did the first video and everything it was actually recording, so it's so painful. But I'm going to do another one again, a top analysis so you guys can see it yourself. So I start from a 1 month time frame, right? On a 1 month time frame, don't forget that there was a sweep of liquidity here and there was what an inducement being taken out here, right? Which I told you I was actually targeting this low, which price has taken out at external range liquidity. So now, what I'm looking at is this internal structure here. And also, try to tell yourself this when you're on the monthly time frame. It kind of helped me a lot. You need to know the trend of what monthly time frame is actually giving you. Is monthly time frame a bearish or is monthly time frame a bullish trend? It kind of helps you to know what you are doing in a more direct way. So I have an external range liquidity here, signaling to me that this is a sell trend, right? Fibonacci from this high to this low. And what do I have? This is a failed swing structure, making this a mitigation block. Mitigation block, but below 50%. That's one. And I have here an order block, right? I have an order block. Now, currently, ask yourself the next question. Where is price? Where is price? Is another question you should ask yourself. Price is at discount level. That means we should be looking for buys. Our main target is looking for buys in the market. Now, that's another question. Now, where is price going to? Price coming from external range liquidity, going to internal range liquidity. So I've answered the three questions, and the next one is my swing point, which is actually here. Going to my weekly time frame. My weekly time frame, I have here. Don't forget, order block, liquidity void, fair value gap are very, very important. And I have here, I have a small, tiny fair value gap. Okay, sorry about that. I have a very small, tiny fair value gap, which I was hoping for last week to clear, but market came and cleared it out on Friday, and I had equal highs here. Can you see it yourself? Which I was expecting the market to clear on Friday, but last week, but price came and cleared it on Friday. Well, we don't know what markets will do. We're just anticipating for the next move. Now, don't forget that I'm going with the trend of 1 day, 1 month, right? Now, looking at this order block, the last swing was around here, which I'm expecting price might act very funny around here. But also we have another swing here too for the 1 week time frame. 1 week OBIRL, right? I'm trying to make it very explanatory. Now, if I go to my daily structure, on my daily structure, I can tag this as a drawn liquidity. I got this from 1 week with this fair value gap and another block as a drawn liquidity, right? Now I have a change of character here. On daily, you see I came from 1 month. Fibonacci from this low to this high. Don't forget I tagged that as a drawn liquidity. Now we have what here? I have an OB here on my daily time frame. 1 day OBIRL. I have here for my daily time frame, and I'm expecting price to sell down to that level, which price has done a shift of market structure. And today is Tuesday again. So on Tuesday, Mondays, price creates the low or the high of the week. Tuesday creates the reversal. So I'm looking at 1 week for it to go down a little bit, which has created the low. I think on 1 week, a low has been created. Yeah, this low has been created already. So let's see what's actually happened since this low has been created. So we're expecting price to come down a little bit to this level. So this is liquidity. This is liquidity, and there's also what a fair value gap, what they call OTE zones. So around here or around there, price might just come down before it continues its massive bullish move. Now coming here again, I have what being direct, the same thing. 1 week we have what a fair value gap, which price is acting very funny at as our draw on liquidity, and price has cleared out this low. But on 1 month time frame, price has cleared out sorry, external range liquidity on 1 month time frame, right? And we have what we have our swing points here. You can see how straightforward this is, right? Now I come down to daily. On the daily, I have to expand this very well. And what do I have here? I have a shift of market structure inside here. 1 day IRL. Now going back to my 1 month time frame, I'm expecting price for RDXY to do this and continue going up because this is like a drawn liquidity. And if that sells, that means here has to buy a little bit because the overall trend is more of a sell on JPY pair and more of a bullish trend on JPY basket. So price has cleared out this liquidity as a drawn liquidity. Looking at 1 week time frame, price has not created, this is just the low, but I'm looking at this entirely. This is like a drawn liquidity on 1 week, and price has tapped a fair value gap. An internal range liquidity might go for an external range liquidity, but on the daily time frame, which I'm looking at, price has shifted structure, which price has shifted structure a swing point here. So I'm expecting price to do this a little bit and keep selling because we have so much liquidity to be cleared down here. So now what I can conclude is that the buys, the buy is short, sell is long. That's my conclusion. Buys are short, sell long is long. Buys are short, sells are long. So if you come down to your 1 hour, your 1 hour time frame, what do I see here? I see a shift of market structure aligning with JPY basket for a massive sell, and here we're looking for a massive buy. And I have here a breaker block on 1 hour time frame, BBIRL, a breaker block which price has tapped into, but price might still come back again because when there's a breaker block, the first move sometimes always liquidity. So keep your fingers like crossed. If price doesn't come back to that zone, if you look inside here, this is a breaker block price reacted to, but price might still decide to sweep out this liquidity again and still go up, or price might just keep going up to this area. But to me, I will expect you to just be patient and wait. Be patient and wait for that sale to start before you go for anything. Just be waiting for the sales to move. Do you understand me? That's what I can say. Just wait and feel the massive movement for JPY basket. That's the massive movement for the sales to get here and the buys to keep going up. So I hope this video was very impactful. Ask your question in the comment section. I'm always excited to reply answers, and it helps me study more and helps me to give out more value to you guys out here. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and we keep growing in the trading industry. Thank you so much. Welcome back to my channel. I did the first video and everything